If you've ever tried cooking rice for a big family gathering, a small catering job, or just a house full of guests, a regular 6-cup rice cooker just can't keep up. That's where a commercial rice cooker comes in, built to handle bigger batches without babysitting the pot or running multiple cycles back to back. Today we're ranking 5 rice cookers that range from compact, high-precision cookers to true large-batch commercial units built for restaurants and catering. Our number 1 pick this week holds 60 cups of cooked rice, runs on a powerful 1650-watt heating base, and keeps everything warm and ready to serve for a full 24 hours. If you're new here, hit subscribe. We post honest kitchen reviews every week. Let's get into it. Starting at number 5, we have the Toshiba rice cooker, the 6-cup uncooked model, which uses Japanese fuzzy logic technology to automatically adjust temperature and cooking time based on moisture levels. It includes 7 pre-programmed settings covering white rice, brown rice, mixed rice, porridge, oatmeal, and more, along with a quick rice feature that can shorten cooking time to about 30 minutes when needed. The keep warm function holds rice at serving temperature for up to 24 hours, and it includes a removable steam basket so you can cook vegetables or protein above the rice at the same time. The non-stick inner pot is not dishwasher safe, so hand washing is required. 2 solid advantages here: the fuzzy logic technology genuinely reduces guesswork, producing consistent, fluffy rice without you needing to adjust water ratios by trial and error, and the compact footprint means it fits easily on a counter even in a smaller kitchen. The downside is the capacity tops out at 12 cups cooked, which is far smaller than the rest of this list, so it's not meant for large-scale batch cooking. This is best for someone who wants precision and consistency over raw volume, like a small cafe or food stall serving smaller portions throughout the day. Wait until you see what comes in at number 4, because this one adds real versatility to a similarly compact size. At number 4 is the Comfy Rice Cooker, the upgraded 6-in-1 stainless steel multi-cooker. Beyond cooking rice, it functions as a slow cooker, steamer, sauté pan, and warmer, all through 6 simple one-touch programs, which means it replaces several single-purpose appliances rather than just handling rice. It has a 2-quart capacity, yielding up to 8 cups of cooked rice from 4 cups uncooked, and includes presets specifically for brown rice, quinoa, and oatmeal in addition to standard white rice. The stainless steel exterior wipes clean easily, and the non-stick inner pot along with all included accessories are fully dishwasher safe. 2 specific advantages make it stand out. First, the 6 one-touch programs mean less manual adjustment compared to cookers that require you to set time and temperature yourself, and second, being made of BPA-free food-grade material with built-in overheating protection adds a layer of safety for repeated daily use. The trade-off is that at 8 cups cooked, this is the smallest capacity on this list, so despite the multi-function versatility, it works better as a compact everyday cooker than a true high-volume commercial unit. This is best for someone who wants an all-in-one, easy-to-clean cooker for smaller batches and varied cooking tasks. But number 3 brings a serious jump in capacity, moving into genuine mid-size commercial territory. At number 3, we have the Aroma Housewares 32-cup commercial rice cooker, which cooks up to 32 cups of rice from 16 cups uncooked, and switches automatically to keep warm mode once cooking finishes. It's a pot-style design, meaning the inner cooking pot and all included accessories are fully dishwasher safe, which is a real time saver during a busy service. Beyond rice, it's also rated for oatmeal, chile, jambalaya, and soups, giving it more day-to-day flexibility than a rice-only unit. 2 clear strengths stand out. First, being fully dishwasher safe sets it apart from most other commercial-style units, and second, the moderate 32-cup capacity hits a practical middle ground for operations that don't need a 60-cup unit but still serve more than a handful of people. The trade-off is that it's not built with the same heavy-duty commercial housing as our top 2 picks, so it's better suited for steady, moderate use rather than the highest volume environments. This is best for someone who wants real capacity along with the convenience of dishwasher-safe cleanup. Stay with me, because number 2 steps fully into commercial-grade territory with certification to match. Number 2 is the Winco commercial-grade electric rice cooker with hinged cover, the 30-cup model. This one holds 30 cups of uncooked rice, which works out to about 60 cups cooked, and runs on a 1550-watt, 120-volt motor built specifically for daily commercial kitchen use. It has a removable non-stick inner pan designed to lock in moisture during cooking, and both a cooking function and a warming function that holds rice at serving temperature for up to 6 hours after it's done. It's ETL certified and meets UL 197 and NSF 4 standards, which matters if you're running a licensed food service operation. The plus side here is the hinged cover design, which makes serving and cleaning noticeably easier than lifting a separate lid on and off repeatedly during a busy shift, and the NSF certification gives it real credibility for commercial kitchens. The downside is the 6-hour keep warm window is shorter than our number 1 pick, so it's better suited for steady, predictable service rather than all-day standby. This is best for someone who wants a genuinely commercial-grade cooker built to NSF food service standards for restaurants or catering. And now, our number 1 pick, the Vever Commercial Rice Cooker, the 60-cup model with a 13.74-quart, 13-liter capacity. This one edges out the rest of the list for one key reason: it combines the largest batch size on this list with the longest keep-warm window, making it the most practical option for genuinely high-volume service. It's built to cook up to 60 cups of rice at once, enough to serve roughly 50 to 60 people in a single batch, and runs on a powerful 1,650-watt heating base for even, fast heating. It uses an aluminum inner pot with a non-stick Teflon coating that's rust and corrosion resistant, along with a steam valve to lock in moisture and insulated handles to prevent burns. Once cooking finishes, it switches to a 24-hour keep-warm function, 4 times longer than our number 2 pick. 2 specific advantages make it stand out. First, the sheer capacity means restaurants, food trucks, or large catering operations can run one cooker instead of 2 or 3 smaller ones, and second, the included measuring cup and scale lines built into the pot make it easy to portion accurately even at this scale. The one trade-off is its size and weight make it a dedicated commercial appliance, not something practical for a small kitchen or everyday home use. This is best for someone running a restaurant, buffet, or catering operation that regularly needs large batches of rice held warm for extended service hours. So that wraps up our ranking for this week. Links to all 5 rice cookers are in the description below, in the same order we covered them. If this helped you narrow down your options, consider subscribing for more honest kitchen appliance comparisons every week. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.